Karen.
And I'm Skylar. And today we're making ramen noodles two different ways. My mom's making them in the Instant Pot, and I'm making them in the stove. I think the stove is quicker, but she
Thinks the Instant Pot is quicker. We don't really know. Sometimes when you think the Instant Pot is always quicker, it's not necessarily true. But I actually think that I'm gonna win today. I think that the Instant Pot will cook the ramen noodles quicker than the stove.
Nah.
Yeah.
No.
Well, we'll just see. We're gonna go ahead and we'll have a timer countdown.
Whoever first gets all the ramen noodles in this bowl wins. So let's get ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Three,
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Pretty heat up. Okay. I can't really do anything, so yeah. Just gonna kind of wait.
I put it all the way down to 0.
Ah, yes, my boiling. Sorry, that's my dad in the background being excited.
You can actually hear it. It's starting to build the pressure. So mine are going to be done any moment. How are yours coming, Sky?
Oh, I'm gonna be done soon. These are looking great. I'm gonna drain the water. I like to use one of these whole spatulas. Yes.
I just released the pressure, so hopefully it will release quick enough that I can win this competition.
I'm gonna do it!
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if they're perfectly cooked. If they're not, I probably lose.
Come on, release already. All right, so mine took longer. Womp womp.
Let's do a taste test though, see which one's better.
Okay, taste test. Are they good, Greg?
Ish.
As good as ramen noodles can be, or are they just gross because they're made in an Instant Pot?
They're as good as ramen noodles can be in the Instant Pot.
So you prefer the stove?
I can't really taste the difference, honestly.
Okay, so there's no difference in taste. The stove was slightly quicker. So I guess the stove wins this one. But if you're like me and you don't want to babysit a pot of boiling water, then you would choose the Instant Pot. The end.